What's the meaning of cringe-making? Cringe-making. Cringe-making.
Cringe-making. Cringe-making.
The term cringe-making refers to something that is extremely embarrassing or uncomfortable to witness, often causing one to physically cringe. It may be used to describe a situation or behavior that is socially inappropriate, awkward, or crass. Examples of cringe-making behaviors include public displays of affection, insensitive jokes, and excessive self-promotion. Witnessing cringe-making behavior can make one feel uncomfortable, embarrassed, or even angry. Overall, cringe-making situations and behaviors are generally viewed as negative and unwelcome.